Hi everyone, it's Winsome back with another origami video, and today we're going to be making a fun little origami. It's a blow and spin top. So yeah, that will be what we're making today. I really love origamis like this, which you can interact with. So let's jump straight to it. So a square piece of origami paper like usual. We're first going to fold a square base. To do that, we're going to fold it diagonally in half. And then we're going to fold it in half horizontally and vertically. And then after that, we're going to, taking one square, we're going to collapse the model on top of itself and using the creases as guidance. Cool, so this is our square base, and then first thing we are going to do is fold kind of like halfway point of these two edges. We're gonna fold it down. And then afterwards, do that to the other side. Cool, and then after that, we're just going to spread the flaps open and as we do that, we're going to get those creases to try and sit upon one another. Cool, so what I did was, I think since I've creased it a lot now, went back to the square base with the creases like this. You're just going to open up these flaps whilst pinching the top, and you're just going to try and squash it down from there, because it's so much easier to do that than what I was trying to do before. Cool. And then once you've got that, you want to fold in these points here, so like so, like this. that side it looks like that, by the way, the bottom, when you collapsed it down. Cool. Kind of looks more like a pretty flower when you look at it from this. And then I'm gonna figure out what's left I need to do for it to make it work. So I've just been trying to blow the model, and it is pretty hard to get it like properly spinning. I've like tried to crease these more, like twist the center more, but yeah, it's like quite difficult. And yeah, it's quite difficult to demonstrate because my camera's on the top and you're supposed to blow it from the top. But I think it looks quite similar to how this is supposed to look, so it should work. Like in my mind, that's what I'm telling myself. Like usual, I hope you all enjoyed making this origami, and as usual, write a comment down below what you thought about this origami. Like this video so I know you enjoyed this type of content. Subscribe for more content like this and other sorts of videos I post. And yeah, thanks for watching everyone, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.